think I did a good job on this V part for my very first time. I think I did a good job on this one. Shout out to Unice Hair Company for sponsoring today's video, guys. This is the first time that I'm reviewing a V-part unit. So this is Bodywave. It is 18 inches long and it is 150% density. So I did go ahead and layer this unit off, and I put this unit as a side part. Now when you get it, I guess it's kind of supposed to be like a middle part style, but I did go ahead and put mine side part style just because I have a larger forehead and I wanted to do styles that would just kind of, you know, make my forehead not so visible, even though you're gonna get a whole bunch of forehead on the side right here, but you kind of get the point. And I do really like a nice bang just because my hair, my natural hair, it's not relaxed, so I have to like straighten out and stuff like that. But my hair is kind of, it gives a nice bang effect. That's how I kind of cut my hair into like a little bob to give me a front bang, a sweet bang. So it was nicer for me to be able to pull the hair down so you can kind of see some of the hair, and it kind of blended really nicely when I curled this. So I thought a side part would just look really cute and classic. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm actually really impressed with the way that this came out. It looks like I have a wig on or like an install, like a sew-in, but I don't. I literally just applied this on my braids and kept it pushing. Now with the braids, my braids came out a hot mess, but I did do the anchor braids enough to make sure that it was secure. This unit does come with a whole bunch of the combs up on this side, maybe like 5 right here around the perimeter part, and then there's like these combs on the side and one large comb in the back, and it also comes with an adjustable strap. So the unit is actually pretty secure, guys. Like, I like the fact that this is something you can literally put on and take off. Like, I love the fact that this unit is very simple, guys, and when it comes to styling it, it's just straight to the point. Now with this unit, I did go ahead and cut light layers into it to kind of frame my face. I wanted to look really, really natural, like I had a sew-in or something like that. So I wanted to give myself layers, and because I was going to do a side part and have like a fluffier bang, I wanted to make sure that it was neat and perfect. So with this one, you guys can see it my hair blends pretty well. I did have like a little baby hair that I went and pulled through right here. So my baby hair ain't too bad. I was able to do like a little swig or whatever. You guys can see that the actual clips are right here, and they're hidden pretty well. Even though my hair is super light, guys, like my hair is not relaxed, but it's very fine and light, so it was able to blend pretty seamless. But the only problem that I worry about with this one, which I don't really have to worry about in the winter time, is worrying about it catching humidity and kind of puffing up. So I'm not worried about that because it's winter time, so my leave out will stay nice and fresh looking. But guys, tell me the blend looks freaking amazing. I feel like I did a good job even blending it through the curls and everything like that, and getting the hair to curl along with it. It just looks like a really nice effortless sewing, guys. It might actually look like my real hair. Come on now. It's giving like a little vibe, guys. Really nice. And I'm happy that I did go ahead and do layers in it and do a side part. I know that most of the times people do a middle part when it comes to V-part wigs, but I wanted to try something different, add layers to it so you can still get the glam effect. You still get the, you know, look. What I would recommend with this one is pre-curling it on the mannequin head and just popping it on the next day. That makes it much easier. It's like a shake and go type of style, which all my hairs are pretty shake and go style videos at this point. It's just easier just to put a wig on and keep it pushing. Like, I literally can put this on the mannequin head, and if I want to go ahead and give the wigs a break, all I have to do is leave my little part out, straighten it out, and boom, hairstyle done. And it looks absolutely fabulous, guys. I love the fact that the way I put the combs on this unit, it landed perfectly so that I got some of that pull over here, so you can kind of hide some of my little edges on that side. So it gave me a lot of options. Like, this looks really good. It's very nice, and I don't know. This is my first time doing this, and I feel like I did pretty good. Let me know. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's hair video. If you guys want me to do more natural hairstyles with V-parts, ponytails, stuff like that, go ahead and leave your comments down below. Shout out to Unice Hair Company for sponsoring today's video, guys. Make sure you go ahead and check out their Black Friday sales, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.